This question related to stoichiometry was asked in JEE Main 2025. That is, butane reacts with oxygen to produce CO2 and water. If 174 kg of butane is mixed with 320 kg of oxygen, the volume of water formed in liters is. तो सबसे पहले इसकी हम केमिकल इक्वेशन लिख लेते हैं. That is C4H10 will react with oxygen to make CO2 and water. अब इसको बैलेंस कर लेते हैं. So कार्बन सबसे पहले बैलेंस करेंगे. So 4CO2 हाइड्रोजन बैलेंस करेंगे. So this will be 5H2O. Now oxygen we will balance. So this is 8 plus 5 13. So 13 by 2 oxygen. Okay. Now we will write the stoichiometric requirement. तो ब्यूटेन का मोलर मास हमारा है 58. So 58 kg of butane will react with 13 by 2 into oxygen molar mass is 32. So that will come 208 kg. So 208 kg of oxygen and water produced will be 5 into 18. That is 18 is the molar mass of water. So this will be 90 kg. So we can say that if 58 kg of butane will react with 208 kg of oxygen to make 90 kg of water. अभी हमें कितना दिया हुआ है 174 kg of butane. So 58 kg butane requires 208 kg of oxygen. So 1 kg of butane will require 208 divided by 58. And we have 174 kg of butane, so that will require multiplied by 174. So this will be 624 kg. Okay, so 174 kg of butane requires 624 kg of oxygen, and we have only 320 kg of oxygen. So oxygen is the limiting reactant. तो अभी हमें देखना है कि 320 kg of oxygen से कितना वाटर प्रोड्यूस होगा. Okay, now we know that 208 kg of oxygen produces 90 kg of water. So 1 kg of oxygen will produce 90 divided by 208 kg of water, and we have how much kg? That is 320 kg. So 320 kg of oxygen will produce multiplied by 320. Okay, so this will be divided by, let us 5. So 4. So this will be again divided by say 4. So this will be 13 and 20. So this will be 1800 divided by 13. So this will come as, you can divide. So 13 1 is 13, 5. 13 3 is this, and this will be 138 kg. So 138 kg of water will be produced, and that is nothing but 138 liters. Okay, because 1 gram per milliliter is the density, so 138 kg is the 138 liters. So that is our answer. Thank you and wish you all the best.